going to begin with the markets in free fall for the second straight day.
Yeah, once again, let's take another live look at the board. You can see it's down 1475.77 right now. And once again, after finishing down more than 1,600 points yesterday.
This, of course, all in response to President Trump's tariffs levied on other countries. And now some of those countries are reacting with tariffs of their own.
Yeah, China retaliating. And this is what a tariff war looks like. Economists say all of this will end up hurting American consumers the most. Eyewitness News reporter Dan Krauth in the newsroom with more. Dan.
Sandra and David, people are bracing for price hikes at the store over the next few weeks now, paying more for items like coffee from Vietnam, bananas from Guatemala, avocados from Mexico. They're all going up in price. This as the stock market plunged, as you said, and other countries are starting to impose their own tariffs on the U.S.
Not everyone's smiling and clapping on Wall Street. The stock market lost more than $3 trillion in value on Thursday alone, the worst single-day plunge since the pandemic lockdowns. Corporations with manufacturing in Asia, like Apple, tumbling more than 9%. Dell, Best Buy, and Nike dropping around 15% or more. Economic anxiety is also rippling through the auto industry, now facing 25% tariffs on imported cars and parts. Meanwhile, President Trump remains undeterred, defending his tariffs, arguing it's all going according to plan.
I think it's going very well. It was an operation, like when a patient gets operated on, and it's a big thing.
The president says taxing imports will spark a renaissance in manufacturing. But now even he admits that could take years.
They can build them fast, but they're still very big plants. So I'd always say it would take a year and a half to 2 years.
Economists warn American businesses will pay more to build products in the U.S. than overseas, costs that will be passed on to consumers. The president's top aides brushing off concerns about skyrocketing prices, urging Americans to have faith in the president.
You got to trust Donald Trump in the White House. That's why they put him there. Let him fix it.
Democrats blasting the president's aggressive across-the-board approach. The president even tariffing islands off the coast of Antarctica that don't produce anything, one that's mainly inhabited by penguins.
Donald Trump has single-handedly created a financial forest fire.
Our closest allies sounding the alarm. French President Emmanuel Macron saying, Americans, be that business or the people, will come out of this weaker and poorer. And Canada, our ally to the north, now sounding more like an adversary.
Well, this is a tragedy. It is also the new reality. We must respond with both purpose and force.
And just this morning, China announced it will impose a 34% tariff on all products they import from the U.S. Reporting in the newsroom, Dan Krauth, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.